cocktail using this thing I bought that was fun, inspirational pickup called Luxardo Bitter Bianco. If you've never seen it, keep watching.
You like it. I mean, if you like tequila,
right?
Keep watching.
Got that too. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Danny and Derek can make for you the Paloma Bianco. Woo!
Yeah.
We've never seen this
goodness.
before. This drink I found when I bought this Luxardo Bitter Bianco, and I use it mainly to make my Manhattan.
Oh, really?
No, what's the thing? Yeah, Manhattan. What's the thing we use
in
tomorrow?
In Manhattan?
Oh, maybe that's an old fashioned.
No, Manhattan.
No. The old fashioned that we make that has the Amaro in it.
No, that's Manhattan.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know.
But you put bitter in it?
The Amaro. Is it?
Yeah. Put Amaro in it. Yeah.
So I use this to see what it'd be like. So that's why I bought it, just so I could put it in there. I needed more Amaros because I have that. I have the Montenegro.
That's a fun
and
conversation to listen to.
The Amaro Montenegro Fernet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the old fashioned. No, yeah, the Manhattan.
Yeah,
whatever drink that is. I don't even know what it's. It's not
with
the recipe card. I know what I
do.
This is what I do. I do 2 ounces of whiskey.
Yeah.
Right. He's gonna lose his shit about the shit he's making up his head. So
no, it was the conversation you had.
But that was like 30 seconds ago.
That's great.
I have 2 ounces of whiskey, bourbon, right? Then I add in usually a half ounce or an ounce of some Amaro, right? Then I do some orange bitters and some Angostura bitters, whatever. And then I'm stir it, throw a cherry in there, and I'm good to go, right? A little cherry juice sometimes. And I just was like, I was running low on the Amaro from that company, so I used a Nonino. I used this. I used the Montenegro. So when I saw that at the store, I'm like, hey, I could use that for my bittering of that drink. And then I was like, great.
That's interesting.
But what else could I do with it? And then I was like, ta-da!
Boom!
It is time to figure it out. So I went to their website. Unfortunately, what they did is they did half this, and it was in ml, and that's stupid.
Yeah.
Because I can't measure. Everything was basically 2/3 or 1/3, and I'm like, no one's gonna make a drink if it requires them to know what a 2/3 and a 1/3 are.
No.
So I just doubled it and rounded the lime a little bit.
Oh, see? He made his own drink.
All right. This is?
It's the same drink.
His own right shit.
Oh, okay.
I just upped the lime slightly and it just made it
so
bigger.
there's more lime.
Yeah.
All right.
The Bianco bitters are it's almost like Campari.
Yeah. But not as bitter as Campari, because nothing's more bitter than Campari.
That's pretty bitter. I just tried it.
I've never really drank it straight before.
Yeah. I would say that it's pretty comparable to Campari.
If there were cherries, I would add a cherry in there.
Oh, I was going to get cherries.
But I don't think we need to.
No, because then I have to walk in there and get the cherries and bring them back.
That's why we don't need to. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's similar.
Just put it on the camera?
It's similar to Campari. That's what I said. You use this to make your white Negroni.
That's just racist.
Why would you want to?
I thought you were talking about replacing the vermouth. And I'm like, oh, okay.
No,
Yeah.
replace the Campari gin.
Yeah.
And then they have the sweet white vermouth.
Oh, I get the confusion because I don't make Manhattans with vermouth. I make it with Amaro instead because vermouth is awful. That's it.
Well, some vermouth's good.
Yeah, it's good to stay right where it is.
You can also use a nice sherry.
Give me Amaretto. I mean Amaro. Yeah, I don't want vermouth in my
Not terrible?
It almost tastes like
Dorchester.
boom.
Yeah, that was what I was hoping it was gonna be like. It's like a bitter Dorchester.
It's funny, you kind of lose
pick the coolest ice cubes for
tequila.
that glass.
And did you carve them yourself?
No, I use their natural beauty.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, because the Dorchester has gin.
This is true. It does taste like it has gin though, but I think that's just because I'm used to Luxardo or something.
Yeah.
And I like it. Like it gets that floral.
It's the citrus in the Luxardo that's like tricking your mind because you're so used to those flavors.
There's a little bit of saltiness from the tequila that you can obviously tell it's not gin, but other
This will
than that,
slow you down though.
it's literally a Dorchester with tequila.
I'll link a Dorchester right here so you guys can see it.
Yeah.
Maybe throw it at the end.
The bitter comes through. This isn't bitter at all. I feel like. You think it's bitter?
Yeah.
Oh, see, I don't think it's bitter. You think it's bitter?
Okay, Mr. Lime. What's
That's
your
sour.
deal?
Oh,
That's sour. See, I think it's a sour, not
Work
bitter.
with mezcal, that drink.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Of course it will.
Definitely.
Because it's got all the same flavors.
It would probably be better. Just saying.
Probably
It's a matter of opinion. and I'll give you yours.
It's
Doesn't
probably
have to be
better.
right. It can be yours.
But it is.
I'll give you that if you like mezcal, like me. You add some smoke to that? Yeah.
It would be good.
You
I
can
think
even
with,
just smoke it.
with mezcal, it would be
Make
good.
a smoke cocktail with your smoking gun thing.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's a lot of work when I can just add
You
mezcal.
can put it in that bubble thing too.
Oh, yeah.
Or you
Just
just...
serve it in a smoke box.
Yeah.
Or...
I had a cocktail in San Diego that came in a smoked box.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's because they want you to spend more money.
Yeah.
You know you're in there for $20 a cocktail if you're getting a box with it. If you unwrap that shit, yeah.
Yeah, if it's got like a little door, like if they got to lift it up, anything, that adds like $2 to every drink.
Yeah.
They're like, it's going to be smoked, and it comes out, and you're like, they put it inside like a hurricane lamp. Fuck. You're like, that's going to be expensive.
The only way it could cost like double that would be if I could take the souvenir mug with me.
So I've never
no.
seen a cocktail at market price before.
Because sometimes they put like, we put gold leaf in it.
Right.
Like, that's when you're really
You're like,
fucked.
they do that for Goldschlager too, and I'm still not spending a lot on that.
Yeah.
It's fucking soon.
And what was the cocktail? The Billionaire's Bijou at the
That
Nod?
one that we filmed at Lincoln Nod.
It's like
Oh my god.
$100 or something.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
but
had
It's
saffron
kind of
in
like
it.
you gotta try it once,
Right.
type of thing, you know?
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
like,
yeah.
well, I gotta.
I mean,
There's
I don't know.
showmanship
That's like a
behind it.
hooker. Do you try it once? Or like,
Yeah,
Or more than once.
I shouldn't be getting diseases from my cocktail.
Right.
hey.
Right.
I mean, you don't know if she goes and gets tested.
Right.
Or he, he, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you're
I did
worried,
get the
you always do anal.
Louis XIII cognac on the boat, and that was like $65 for a half ounce pour. But that was like an experience. Like,
Right.
They
Yeah,
bring
but
out the
see?
cart, there's
Yeah.
the heated up
Yeah.
Right.
glass, and they do the specific pour. And
Yeah, that's a lot
That's
of
what
work.
I mean. It's kind of neat to try once.
yeah, it's not a
Yeah.
right thing.
No, it's like
Yeah.
when you go to that jungle place with the the
Rock?
food, and they bring out
You
the
had a
volcano,
Oh, yeah.
and they all go volcano. What is that place? The frog.
Rainforest Cafe.
Rainforest Cafe.
No,
it's like a
no.
big fucking cake or what is it?
It's
It's
a
a
dessert
dessert.
or
It's like called the
something, yeah.
volcano, and every time they bring it out to all the people that work there go volcano, and they carry it to the table. They put it down, so like sparklers or whatever on it, and then everybody else is like, what that?
Yeah.
Right, and then also it's like, once you see one, it's like volcano. It's almost like fucking July, and everybody's getting their birthday yelling.
I want to go there now.
Yeah,
They used to be in the Burlington Mall.
Yeah,
I
you
don't think
can't
they're there
anymore.
though.
No more
Yeah, I
times.
remember they were there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
they COVID kill 'em?
Another time.
No.
No, I think they died before COVID.
I think the fact that they had all those.
They had
fucking-
they had
had
frozen
dinosaurs.
chicken nuggets for like
Yeah.
$30.
Yeah.
They're like, yeah, well, it's just an
And
experience.
the alligators that came out of the swamp.
They had like all
It's
the
like
animals.
Bugaboo Creek with the swinging moose.
Yeah.
Basically,
Yeah.
except for the entire place. You've ever been there? You were in the rainforest. and had
I've
animals
walked
around?
by it and I've seen
And like
The Rainforest Cafe? No, you've been in there.
every
You've
hour
got to.
or whatever,
I never ate
the
there.
Not
lightning
with us, like the
strikes
kids?
and all the animals go crazy. The whole place like goes dark and
Like
like,
it pretends
Sounds
it
cool.
rains.
Yeah, you told me about it. but yeah.
It was cool. Like when the kids were little.
but it is like $30 chicken nuggets. You're not.
Yeah.
It's an experience.
I went to a cheeky place in San Francisco where they like made it rain. They had they had a pool like in the middle
Oh, okay.
of the
Well, it's jokers.
bar, and then and the band played like it looked like a tip of a boat,
Mm.
and so the band played there, and then every now and then it would like the lights would go down and it would it was like lightning, and then like rain would come down like. But it was like a super old school like tiki bar.
Okay. That's cool.
That you're definitely spending extra money on to
Did
get
you have to spin a wheel?
rum and coconut.
Yeah, no, that was the worst. We're all just like we love tiki, and we're all like,
These drinks suck.
Yeah, they were pretty bitter. Like
Yeah.
that was probably more traditional tiki than I think I was ready to handle. Like going over to whatever the other guy is, Latitude.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna drink tiki in a bar, I want to walk out drunk.
And we want to do it with Jeff Berry.
Yeah.
No.
And I want little monkeys in my drink.
With
yeah,
all the like the standard. I mean,
Right.
Jeff Berry's bar is like what you feel like it would be like going into a '70s tiki bar, even though none of us would be old enough to do that, and we're even alive, right? Like that. That's what I want, but I want to do it while I can drink. And even if it wasn't really like that, and they were smoking back then, I just want to be able to go and get my little plastic monkeys, get my crazy drinks with the funny stuff on them and the big glasses. That's fun.
Yeah.
It's
The place
fun
we
part.
went in San Diego was fun.
Baltimore was good.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good spot.
So there, my friends, is this drink. Go
It's good.
watch us make the Dorchester, and you'll find that like it has like that nice grapefruit light. It's kind of like a more creative margarita, slightly different. That one's got more bitterness.
It looks a little like a pisco sour without the foam.
Yeah.
Oh,
Cheers.
all right. Sidebar, more drinks, tequila down below. AwesomeDrinks.com. Bartender Sergeant. Go pick one of those up. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.